I have an essay to write for statistics, which means I need some paragraphs, some special symbols, some images, more paragraphs, right? So how do we get these special symbols? Oh, get back here. Special symbols in there. So I'm going to show you how to get things like mu and p hat and p tilde or x bar. So let's just start over there. So first thing, just type some stuff in there, plain text. So h0 colon mu is less than or equal to, say, 15. So that's my ugly null hypothesis, but it's reasonable. It's ugly. I want the 0 for the null to be subscripted, like it's pretty in the book and online. So highlight the 0, format the text to be a subscript. That's it, much better. Now the mu, there's a couple ways to get that. You could search the internet for a mu symbol. Just type mu symbol. See, I've done that before. And hey, here's a mu. So then I can just highlight it from here, Control C to copy, come back to my documents, Control. Now there's two ways to paste it in. Control V is a regular paste, but that might bring formatting from the web page you grabbed and it might not match what you're doing. So the safe thing to do is paste without formatting, Control Shift V. That way you don't drag any weird fonts in there that you didn't want, or boldness, or wrong font size. So it just matches whatever font size I have. Control Shift V, paste without formatting. Same thing for the less than or equal to. I could just go search the web for the less than or equal to symbol. And here's one right here. So you just kind of search and eventually you'll find one. If it's in a link, you can't really copy it. So you got to find one that's not in a link. And so usually eventually you'll find one. Mine's right at the top. So I can just copy it. So just about any special symbol you want exists as a character out there, but it's not living on your keyboard. And so you can go search for it and put it in there. Typically, though, your word processor has those symbols built in. So let's do my HA colon mu is greater than 15. And so here, I want to fix the A. So I just highlight it and then subscript it, format text, subscript. And then to get the mu, I'm going to get that a different way. Instead of searching for it on the internet and copying and pasting, I'm going to go insert special characters and see if it lives there. And most symbols you want live here, so you don't have to go out to the internet. But sometimes they're not. So then there's a bunch of different mus. This looks like the one I grabbed from the internet. This one's cuter down here. You want to be consistent. So either get it from the internet and use it in both places, or use the special character and put it in both places. And once you click on it, it's there. So if I close this box, you can see my cute little mu is there. And I'm just going to use that one instead. Control C to copy, Control V to paste, since it's the right document, not a different document. But if you do copy and paste from a different document, the safe thing to do is Control Shift V. And then I want my significance level alpha in here. So I can just go insert and look for alpha in the special characters. Alpha, and there's a bunch of alphas. I like that one. Click, close, there's my alpha. Alpha equals 0.5 in this case. If you needed, say, X bar earlier, I didn't see that in the symbols. So let's try that again. Special characters. So if I search for things with an X, I see an X dot, double dot. I'm not seeing an X with a bar over it. So then I just modify my search. Maybe it's X bar, nothing. X space bar, nothing. Bar. I don't see an X with a bar over it. X, nothing. Space, okay. So either I'm typing the wrong search term or it doesn't exist in the special characters here. So then I just go out to the internet and say, hey, internet, do you know what bar X is? Tab. So then I can try typing what I think it is, bar X or X bar, symbol. Usually I put the symbol in there too. And oh, here's one right there. Okay, so I can then copy. And again, when we copy from a foreign place into another document, the safe thing to do is to Control Shift V. And sometimes, like if I hit a space, Google says, hey, let's capitalize it. undo, Control Z. I didn't want it capitalized. So pretty much any symbol you want, you can either find by insert special character, or just go search the web for it, like P hat symbol, fat. That looks kind of funny. Let's see, will it find it? Hey, there it is right there, P hat. Okay, dash hat. So sometimes you got to modify your search, right? So we all have that trouble. So I can get pretty much any symbol that exists out there. I must not have copied it. In the world today, Control C, foreign object, Control Shift V. Ooh, weird. My computer's not liking that one. Grab it from a different place here, maybe. Control C, Control Shift V. What the heck? Edit, paste. There it goes. And notice it's gray compared to the other. It's a different font. So what I should have done is paste without formatting, and then, oops, try again. Edit, Control Shift V, paste without formatting, and then it comes in with the right font. So fun with symbols in word processor. This works in Word also. Take care.